Hi, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Holly, also known as Gaga to my grandchildren. Well, here I am on January 3rd, and I'm about to take down my tree. I like to do this either on New Year's Day or that weekend that first comes up. I like to take my time and do it, have kind of a slow weekend and just relax. Most of the things come down in the house on the same day as the tree, and but there'll be stragglers later on. It'll be 2 weeks from now, and I'll realize that, oops, I forgot to take something down or put it away. And I just saw another vlogger talking about this very thing and how she keeps a little box out or a bag out to put things away that were missed in the initial cleanup. Anyway, so this will be the weekend that I start the real cleanup, and then during the week this week I'll start to do a nice, really good deep clean. Oh, and I hope that you all are enjoying your weekend as well, and I want to once again wish you all a very happy new year, a very happy and healthy 2026. I know we're starting ours happy and healthy, and thank God for that. I just had to come through something during the fall with my back. It was terrible, and I actually landed in the hospital for a couple of days with it. It took a lot to come back, and thank God for my chiropractor. He is a wonder, and my massage therapist. She is too. So I'm finally starting to feel a lot better, and I've come through the holidays. I've been actually kind of waiting for this because, I don't know, this year was so tough just to do anything, and I just really wanted to try to relax and enjoy the holiday, which I did. And now here I am. The holidays are past us. I'm about to take this down, and I always like to start this new year in a positive manner. You know, it's a clean slate, a fresh start. And so the tree comes down, and it was a beautiful tree this year. The decorations were really pretty, and the tree is a real tree. I always have a real one here in the family room. Sometimes I put a fake one in the foyer or the living room, but I always like to have at least one real tree in the house. I love the way it smells, and I think actually environmentally, I think it's a little bit better than a fake tree. Okay, I know that this is very controversial, but this is actually a little bit better than a fake tree because first, it smells so nice, and but then it's going to be environmentally healthy for all the birds outside, because when I'm finished taking down this tree, my husband's going to drag it outside, and it will be cover for the birds all winter long, and it'll give them cover from the birds that are looking, you know, the birds of prey. And so we'll put it right close to our bird feeders, and they will enjoy it all winter long. And eventually it'll be chipped up into mulch or something, or it'll become firewood. Anyway, so I always enjoy my real tree, and this is how I justify it. Of course, we're also giving business to all of the tree farmers, and this is something that they absolutely need too. So overall, it's a good thing. And so here it is, only January 3rd, and I also like to start to dream of the spring and, you know, the gardens, and my husband and I will be going through all the seed catalogs, and I think he's actually already put in an order for our seeds for spring. And it's just fun to plan out the garden and dream of it all winter. And we've actually been summer dreaming as well. And so I took this opportunity the other day. It was literally New Year's Day. I went to check on our plans for the summer. We're planning to do a little house down the shore. We've done this before. We had this amazing house down the shore. And here we were, January 1st, I went to look for this house, and we were shut out of this house. I could not believe it because we missed last year. You know, we did Maine and we did Cape May instead of the Jersey Shore, and so we got shut out of this house. And who would think that on January, everybody would be going and looking for houses? So we had gotten shut out of the first one. And then as I sat here and I started looking for other houses, as quick as I was saying, oh, this house will work for us, somebody else would nab it up. So this was a 24-hour thing. And we finally found a really great house. I'm sure it's going to be fine. Everybody's going to have such a good time this summer. And, you know, we're just wishing for a happy, you know, family fun-filled week just with the kids and the grandchildren. And as long as we've got all of them around us, I'm sure it'll all be great. But I was just a little bit shocked. Who would think that people, I guess we're not alone, doing our summer dreaming. But anyway, I was just so grateful that we actually found a house and everybody was able to breathe a sigh of relief. Now we've got that all sewn up. And now we can dream about all the things we're going to do while we're on vacation. Anyway, I guess I better get back to taking down this tree. It's such a long process taking it down. It's a little sad. And yeah, again, it's that whole cleanup thing. I think we always feel a little bit better when we start cleaning up and doing a deep purge and getting rid of everything and you know, all the clutter. Anyway, so that's my new project, and we've got a good few projects coming up. I can't wait to start talking about those things. Anyway, once again, I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year, prosperous, healthy, and happy. Okay, bye-bye. Till next time. Remember to like and subscribe. It helps my channel grow.